You've clicked on this video because you want to upgrade your software in your JBL Partybox 200 and 300 series speaker. Let me show you how to do this. First, let's check what software revision you're actually running by holding down the bass boost button and the minus button.
3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 9.
The latest version of this speaker is this.
3, 8, 1, 2, 2, 1.
Now if your speaker doesn't say 381221, then it's time to update the software. I highly recommend you read these notes first. I'm not held responsible for you bricking your speaker or installing the wrong software. Now it's time to go to your search engine, Google Chrome or Edge, and input the link which I've put in the description. Accept the cookies and terms and conditions, and that you agree. The password I've left in the description as I don't want to be dishing this out and have random people download it. Once downloaded, you'll see this in your downloads file. It's time to grab yourself a memory stick, of which usually the cheaper ones are the best. This was a 1GB really cheap memory stick which I had laying around to do software updates on. It's a file system of FAT. You must make sure the memory stick is completely empty, as this is where you'll put the file to update the speaker. Make sure to only put the Harman file in there. Once that's transferred, safely remove your memory stick. Now it's time to connect your speaker into the mains and turn it on. Now let's plug in the USB into the back of the speaker and get it in DFU mode. Now you can do this by pressing the volume plus button and the Bluetooth button at the same time. You have to hold these for 10 seconds and then you'll see a white ring on the front of the speaker. This process takes around 7 minutes to complete, but once it has completed and updated, you'll hear a tone like this. The speaker LED will be green and begin to reboot on its own. Don't forget to remove your memory stick and check your software revision.
3, 8, 1, 2, 2, 1.
And there we have it. You've successfully updated your speaker. Thanks for watching.